Fix your broken BOA laces. They come with a lifetime guarantee. These are broken. I ordered them online. You get a nice packet with everything you need for 2 replacements. Easy to follow directions, step by step. Unwind the old one with this provided. Pop out the piece. Take the wires out. Get your new wire, unwind it. Lace it up, just like the old one. Don't forget the little piece for your thumb to handle to put it on. Pull these out, and you want to snip them to about 10 or 12 centimeters. There's 3 holes, up through 1, down through 2, up through 3, and then loop it in front of number 2 and behind number 1. Tighten it all down. Then do the same thing on the other side. Then screw it clockwise. I did this wrong, I did it counterclockwise. So screw it clockwise, then pop it in, and they give you a nice little screw to tighten it down. Not too tight, and you're all done. Works great.